Hi, welcome to Vicky's Kenyan Kitchen and I'm your host Vicky. Karibuni sana. And guys, I have good news. Things just got better for Vicky's Kenyan Kitchen. Guess who is here? Tony!
Springler! Thank you for having me around.
Hi!
Hey, how are you?
Good, good.
You're good, thank you. Yeah.
Your song is amazing.
Thank you so much. Yeah? Where are we?
Yeah, that's it. You can find him on YouTube.
Yeah.
Name?
At Tony Springler, 254.
Yeah. So Tony is here to cook with us.
Yeah.
Come with us.
Come with us.
So guys, we're going to introduce our ingredients.
Yes, Miss.
Okay. Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
You can help me?
Help you?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Like that, bring more.
More?
Yeah. A big yellow
Yellow.
and green.
Wow, looks very nice. It's very
Amazing.
soft. Amazing, amazing, amazing. Really good. My first time tasting this.
African way of grilling.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah.
These are the skewers,
chicken.
guys.
Yeah.
Chicken skewers.
Chicken.
Okay. Let me taste it.
Okay. You have to tell us how it tastes like.
Tastes so good.
Yeah.
Guys, tastes very good. These are the chicken skewers.
Yes, chicken.
We just
stew.
made them with Miss Vicky. Very nice. Very beautiful.
Wow.
Wow.
I love the taste.
Love the taste. Me too. I love the taste very much, and you look like you are a profi actually,
Thank you, Tony.
because it's tasting very nice. I told you I've never tasted such
Really?
way, the grilled one.
The grilled potatoes, sweet
Yeah,
potatoes.
yeah.
Wow.
I've
Okay.
tasted the boiled ones before, but the grilled ones is from you. Yeah.
Kwa hivyo nijigambe mtoto wa kike.
Kabisa. Na umetuandalia vizuri.
Forgive
Mashallah.
my manners. Niko na salad hapa.
Okay.
You can taste the salad. It goes very well with that.
Thank you.
Yes.
Tell me what you want to know about me, about my music, about my lifestyle.
I love your music,
especially
the first one you did.
Okay.
I love it.
For you?
Yeah, I love it.
Okay.
Yeah. And also, I'm grateful that you give me opportunity and a chance to do this with you, and just coming all the way to support Vicky's Kenyan Kitchen.
Course, I have to.
It's amazing.
I have to support my sister.
I'm very grateful.
Thank you. I like supporting sisters and brothers who are working so hard, you know, and you're one of them. And come on, we are there for each other.
Asante sana, yeah.
Oh, see.
Yes, I'm so happy.
Thank you.
I'm so happy. Apart from cooking, I also love music. Yeah. I love dancing too.
You love dancing too? You can dance on one.
Not that I'm a professional dancer or something, but I dance to anything so long as the beats is good.
Like my song, the one you like.
Yeah, the one we did
You always
today.
shake your bum bum.
Yeah.
Always shake it.
I love it.
Nice.
So when you said you're coming to support Vicky's Kenyan Kitchen, I was like, wow, this is a good opportunity.
We're having an artist around now.
Yeah. Tony
Spengler. Guys, Vicky is cooking very well.
Yeah.
A professional cook. And I love her food, and I think all of us will love her food.
Thank you very much, Tony.
Yeah.
Enjoy.
Thank you. I'm really enjoying it.
I'm eating the African way with my hands.
Okay, can eat.
The potatoes, you see, is well cooked, so I don't mind using my hands.
Yeah.
And the skewers are just on point.
Everything's on point.
Yeah.
For the skewers, we mixed chicken, and the other part was
Chicken liver.
chicken liver, and the other one, beef.
Beef.
Okay.
I wanted to have kind of variety. I have a problem.
Okay.
I don't know how to cook small.
Okay, we like big quantities. Big quantities for many people.
Yes.
So you like events or something.
I grew up in a big family
Okay.
of almost 13 people.
Wow.
No, actually 12 people.
12, okay.
To be precise, 12 people. And I really don't know how to cook small food.
Small portions.
No.
Okay.
I cook in big quantity, then I portion them. I put in the freezer. So I don't have to cook like every day.
Yeah. I think that's a very clever way, you know? Where you do other things, you have your ready-made food already.
Yep.
That's very nice.
And it saves you time.
Yeah.
It saves you money. Because the same food you cook in a small quantity, I mean the ingredients, you can use the same ingredients you cook small quantity.
Sure.
Bake a bake meal and portion it.
Okay.
Put it in the freezer.
Okay.
Yeah.
So that means we or other people, we can hire you for events, as a caterer or something.
Yeah. I would love to.
Love to.
Yeah.
I think you really
I've been doing small quantity.
Okay.
Like 15 to 20 people so far.
Okay.
Yeah. Or daily deliveries.
Daily deliveries from home to their places.
Yes. Yeah.
Okay.
They call me in advance. I have a menu from Monday to Saturday.
Okay. And where can you find the menu?
You look on YouTube, anything you like from the video I've done so far. You order in advance and then we cook for you.
Advance, how long should we order?
2 hours.
2 hours?
Yeah.
Oh, that's very nice. Yeah.
Or 1 hour.
Or 1 hour.
But I only take 45 minutes to cook.
Okay.
Yani 1 hour is maybe I'm not at home. Yeah. Since I don't have a restaurant, I'm not always here to wait for someone to call. Yeah. So the 2 hours or 1 hour gives me time to put myself together and yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Enjoy your food.
Yeah, thank you so much. I'm really enjoying myself.
Enjoying also. Sometimes I cook something, then when I start eating, I'm like, wow.
This is very nice.
Tastes like 5-star hotel.
It is. I think I should book you for my birthday event or something like that.
Sure, I will cook.
Sometimes I have small parties here and there. And
I can do.
20 people, 15 people, as I said.
I can do.
Nice.
I'll gladly do it. I'll gladly do it.
Nice.
Yeah. And do you like the salad? How is it?
Good.
Karibu sana.
Asante sana.
Yeah, it was nice to have you.
I love you.
Ciao, ciao.
Ciao.